So, I recently discovered a new text-to-speech software, and let me tell you, I was blown away by the results. I've tested a lot of tools, but this one, it's on another level. Honestly, I think it even beats out ElevenLabs. Now, if you're not familiar with ElevenLabs, it's a popular text-to-speech software known for nailing voice inflections. But this new software, it goes way beyond that. Not only does it handle voice inflections beautifully, but it also produces incredibly natural conversations and expressive emotions that sound almost too real to be AI. The software I'm talking about is PlayHT. And trust me, it's a game changer. You can check it out using the link in the description. But hang tight and watch this video first, because I'm going to show you some mind-blowing examples. I even cloned a voice using PlayHT, and you'll see just how uncanny the results are. And get this, you can do all of this for free with their basic plan. Alright, let's dive in. This is the PlayHT interface, where you can generate voices that are nearly indistinguishable from real human speech. I'm talking about voices that sound like they're in the room with you. Don't believe me? Let's take a listen to some samples. Here's one that mimics a real-life conversation.
Once upon a time.
Thank you for calling PlayHT. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I just signed up for PlayHT and I need help getting started.
Sure, to get started, you'll need to.
Amazing, right? It sounds just like a live customer service interaction, but it's completely AI generated. Now check out this next one. It's a voiceover for a YouTube intro.
Hello, Play Support speaking. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that's sure to blow your mind.
Or how about this?
Alright, so teaching Once upon a time, in a distant kingdom, a brave knight set out on an epic adventure.
It's not just about reading text. PlayHT makes the narration come alive, adding emotion and nuance to the voice. It's like having a professional voice actor at your fingertips. But here's where it gets really cool. PlayHT can clone voices. I decided to have a little fun with this feature, and I created a clone of a well-known voice. No spoilers, you'll hear it in just a sec. But the accuracy is just... wow. Let's give it a listen.
With PlayHT, you can replicate voices with stunning accuracy. This voice, yep, it's a clone.
Can you believe how spot on that is? And the best part is, you can do this too, even with the free plan. It's super easy to get started. Let me walk you through how it works. After you log in, you can select from 5 different models. PlayHT 3.0 is their most latest option with multilingual support. It's perfect for highly conversational, natural-sounding speech in English. Then there's PlayHT 2.0. It offers a better voice and accent and cloning if you're doing English only. And if you're into voice cloning, like I am, PlayHT 3.0 lets you do it with just a short audio sample. The official documentation says 3 seconds, but from my experience, you'll want to use at least 30 seconds to get the best result. I used about 45 seconds, and the results were uncanny. Oh, and did I mention you can create voices in over 100 languages? Plus, you can tweak the voice's speed, pitch, and tone to suit your needs. So whether you need a high-energy, fast-paced delivery or a slower, more soothing tone, PlayHT can do it all. Here's a quick example of a voiceover I generated in a news anchor style. Check this out.
In today's headlines, groundbreaking advancements in AI are reshaping industries across the globe. Experts predict major innovations in the coming years.
Did you notice the subtle breathing in between? It makes the voice sound so real. I've tested a lot of text-to-speech tools, but PlayHT is one of the few that nails this detail. If you found another tool that can match this level of realism, drop a comment below. I'd love to check it out. The free plan gives you 12,500 characters per month, which is perfect for trying things out. And you still get to clone a voice and generate high-quality audio in multiple languages. Just remember that with the free plan, you'll need to give PlayHT credit when you use the audio publicly. If you're ready to dive deeper, PlayHT makes it super simple. Just click Create New Voice, record a short clip of yourself or whoever's voice you want to clone, and let the AI work its magic. In just a few minutes, you'll have a fully functional voice clone that sounds almost identical to the original. Let me play the clone I made for you. It's a short segment about atomic clocks.
Atomic clocks operate by tracking the predictable vibrations of atoms, which provide an incredibly accurate measure of time.
It's eerie how close that is to the real voice, right? The fact that PlayHT lets you do this for free is just incredible. And if you're a developer, they even offer API access, so you can integrate this into your own apps. Perfect if you're building something that needs top-tier text-to-speech functionality. Now let's talk pricing. The free plan gives you 12,500 characters per month and one voice clone. But if you're working on bigger projects or want more features, you can upgrade to the Creator plan for $39 a month. That gets you 250,000 characters per month, or about 5.5 hours of speech, plus up to 10 voice clones, faster generation times, and commercial use rights. If you're going all in on text-to-speech, the unlimited plan gives you unlimited characters, unlimited voice clones, and high-fidelity cloning for $99 a month. It's perfect for those of you creating content at scale, whether it's audiobooks, podcasts, or video narration. Of course, pricing is subject to change, so be sure to check the website for the most current details. But trust me, if you're serious about using AI-generated voices for your projects, PlayHT is an investment worth making. Even the free plan gives you so much value, it's a no-brainer to at least give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And I'd love to hear your thoughts on PlayHT. Drop a comment below if you've tried it out, or if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.